Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to limit and manage delivery areas for your in-app store. By focusing on specific zones, you can streamline operations, cut costs, and enhance customer satisfaction with quicker, more reliable deliveries. Let's begin by limiting your delivery areas. On your dashboard, go to Cart Settings and select Settings. Choose Yes to the question, are you going to limit the delivery coverage? If the delivery fee is based on the delivery area, choose Delivery Area Fee and click Submit. Note, if this is selected, the shipping options will not be displayed, and it is up to the merchant to deliver the order. If the delivery fee is based on the shipping option, choose Shipping Option Fee and click Submit. Now, let's go ahead and manage your deliverable areas. To add, edit, or delete delivery areas, go to Cart Settings and select Delivery Areas in the dashboard. You can add regions and cities by clicking the Add button. Fill out the form and click Submit. You can update the delivery fee per city by clicking the Edit button of the city. Update the form and click Submit. If you want to remove the city from the list of deliverable areas, click the Delete button of the city. Click Delete in the pop-up to proceed. Note, all cities in the list will be included in the deliverable areas. Sample customer experience. If the delivery areas are limited, the list of the deliverable areas is displayed once the users access the in-app store. By implementing these settings, you can optimize operations, decrease expenses, and improve customer satisfaction through faster and more dependable deliveries. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay updated by regularly visiting our website and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.